Today, what we are going to do? We are going to begin with the exercise solving of chapter number 5, that is our school. Right? Today, what we are going to do? We are going to solve the exercise of our chapter 5, that is our school. Right? So kids, before we start with that, before we get to that, what we are going to have? We are going to have a quick recap of our last session. That means last session में हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा उसको एक बार फिर से देख लेना. Right? So in the last session we are done with the explanation of chapter number 5. Right? We are done. That means हमने complete कर दिया chapter number 5 का explanation. Right? So what did we learn in the chapter? We learned what do we learn in school? हम लोग स्कूल में क्या पढ़ते हैं वो सीखा. Then we learned that which are the places that are there in school. Right? So ये सारी चीजें हम लोगों ने सीखी. Right? And we also learn how we need to stay safe in school with the help of a story of two brothers called Karan and Shiv. Right? So that was the thing that we have completed. Right? So which are the places that are there in school? Classroom, library, then assembly hall where assembly is held, then which is it? Canteen, playground, एक्टिविटी रूम एंड व्हाट नॉट. सो ये सारी चीजें हम लोगों ने देख ली है. राइट? एंड वी हैव आल्सो लर्न दैट वी लर्न सो मेनी थिंग्स इन स्कूल एक्सेप्ट फॉर सब्जेक्ट्स के अलावा भी हम लोग कई सारी नई नई चीजें स्कूल में सीखते हैं. रूल्स, डिसिप्लिन, रूटीन्स, रिस्पेक्ट, शेयरिंग, ये सारी क्वालिटीज भी हम लोग स्कूल में ही सीखते हैं. राइट? एंड एट लास्ट वी लर्न हाउ वी नीड टू बी सेफ इन स्कूल. हम स्कूल में सेफ कैसे रह सकते हैं. राइट? सो वी कैन स्टे सेफ इन स्कूल विद द हेल्प ऑफ फॉलोइंग द रूल्स. हमें लाइन में खड़ा रहना है, एक दूसरे को धक्का नहीं मारना. वी नीड टू ऑलवेज stand in a queue, in a line. Right? Then we are not supposed to be running on the stairs and in the corridor. कॉरिडोर में दौड़ना नहीं है, stairs में दौड़ना नहीं है. Right? And we are never be supposed to standing on the desk, benches पे, desks पे खड़ा रहना नहीं है. ये सारी चीजें जो है हमें क्या करनी है? Avoid करनी है. We are not supposed to be doing all these things. And the last thing is we need to carry our identity card always, so that if there is a case of emergency, people can contact your parents immediately. आपको कुछ हुआ हो, आपको कुछ ठीक नहीं लग रहा हो, हो जाए अगर, तो आपके पेरेंट्स को कोई कांटेक्ट कर सके इमरजेंसी के लिए, इमरजेंसी में. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं? आइडेंटिटी कार्ड हमारे साथ में रखते हैं. राइट? सो दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट वी नीड टू कीप इन अवर माइंड इफ वी वांट टू स्टे सेफ. Right? So now it is done. We are done with the explanation. So now I hope you will be able to, solve the exercise clearly. Right? So let's move on to that. Let's see how much you are thorough with the chapter. Okay, so kids, as I said, we now are going to solve the exercise. So let us begin with the first one, that is A. Right? Which is it? Take the correct answers. So in this question you need to read the question carefully and then choose the correct answer from the option that are provided below. आप लोगों को क्या करना है? जो क्वेश्चन जो है उसको ध्यान से पढ़ना है, समझना है, और जो 3 ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं उसको देखना है और जो करेक्ट वन है उसको चूज करना है. I hope you all are clear and thorough with that. आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन आसानी से समझ में आ गया होगा because this we are practicing since many days, since long, right? So let us see. First question: Karan and Shiv are dash. Karan और शिव का क्या रिलेशन है? Right? Are they siblings? Siblings मतलब real brother and sister. Then friends or neighbors. Who are they? Close your eyes, think for a second and tell me the answer. You are right. They are siblings. So I will put a tick here so that you are able to solve it nicely. Right? Then the next question is, we play in the playground during dash. हम लोग कहाँ खेलते हैं? Like किस समय पर खेलते हैं in the playground? Let us see the options. During the classes, जब हमारे lectures चल रहे हो तब, ड्यूरिंग असेंबली, मॉर्निंग में जब आप लोग आते हो प्रेयर करते हैं तब, और इन रिसेस, दैट मीन्स द ब्रेक टाइम दैट इज प्रोवाइडेड टू यू बाय द टीचर्स. थिंक अबाउट द आंसर. द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, recess. Right? Recess is the break time that has been provided to you by the school in which you can play with your friends and eat your food. Right? आप अपना खाना भी खा सकते हैं, play भी कर सकते हैं, अपने friends से बात भी कर सकते हैं. Right? Then the next one is our national anthem is. Right? So we have learned when you are coming in the morning for the assembly, what do? We do prayer for the good beginning of the day. Then we talk about the worldwide things and the things that are happening in school as well. And at last we sing our national anthem. So you should be very much aware of the national anthem. The national anthem is Jana Gana Mana, right? So he is going to put a tick here. Now kids, you will be confused between Vande Mataram and Jana Gana Mana because Vande Mataram is our national song and Jana Gana Mana is our national anthem. Don't get confused between them. Okay? So be very much clear. Okay? Then the next one is we can borrow books from the dash. हम books कहाँ से borrow कर सकते हैं? Right? Borrow करना मतलब कुछ समय के लिए इस्तेमाल करने के लिए लेनी कोई चीज और फिर वापस कर देनी. Right? Book, the thing that we are taking for some time for use and then we are having the intention to return it back. Right? That means we are borrowing it. So staff room में से, playground में से या library में से? Just think about the answer and tell me. Yes, the correct answer is C, library. Right? Then the next one is we must always stand in dash. हमें हमेशा किस में रहना चाहिए, खड़ा रहना चाहिए. Right? Let's see. Corridor. Q, that means line. Yeah, assembly. What will be the correct answer? Q is the correct one. We always must stand in the proper line when we are going from one place to another. Right? So Q will be the answer. I hope you all are clear with question number 1, that is tick the correct answer. आप लोग ये अच्छे से समझ गए होंगे और आपको समझ में भी आ गया होगा कि क्वेश्चन क्या है और इसके आंसर ये क्यों आए. Right? So shall we move on to the next question? We shall. Okay, so as we have solved question A, that is tick the correct answer, now we are going to solve B, that is color the circle green for what you do in school and red for what you don't. राइट? सो हमें सर्कल्स देखने हैं, उसके वर्ड्स देखने हैं. जो चीज़ें हम स्कूल में करते हैं उधर हम ग्रीन करेंगे और जो चीज़ें हम लोग स्कूल में नहीं करते उधर हम रेड कलर करेंगे. राइट? सो द फर्स्ट सर्कल सेज स्लीप. डू वी स्लीप व्हेन वी आर इन स्कूल? No, we don't. So we will color it red, right? Then the second one says read. Do we read while we are in school? Yes, we do. So we will put green color in that. Then the third one is fight. Is fighting good? Should we do it? Yes or no? No, we should not. So we will put red color there. Then cook. So sometimes it may happen that there is make and eat and everything, but we never cook in school, like always is not the case, right? So cook, we will put red there. The next one is play. Yes, we do play in school, right? We play with our friends, we play with teacher, we play different games, do different fun activities. So playing will be a green one. Then the last one is write. So, do we write while we are in school? Yes, we do. So, we will color it green. So I hope all of you are clear with the B question, right? हम लोग क्या करते हैं स्कूल में और क्या नहीं करते वो हम लोगों ने थोड़ा कर लिया होगा इससे, right? Shall we move on to next question? Shall we understand the next one? We shall. Okay, then the next one is decode. Decode is the question in which we have to look at the picture, observe it carefully, and answer the questions that are provided. Right? So let us see. Look at the picture and answer the questions. So first one is, where are the children in the picture? Observe the picture carefully and see which the place is. It is a classroom, right? The children are inside of a classroom. How can we get to know that it is a classroom? It is a classroom because we can see a blackboard there, we can see benches, desks and everything there. So where these things are? These things are in a classroom only. Then the next question is, are the children safe? They are? No, they are not, because they are standing on the desks, which is harmful. We should never do this. Okay, so they are not safe. So Didi has written no here. I hope you all are now clear with question C as well. Now we are going to see the last question, that is question answer. So let's move to that. Let's learn them. Okay, so as we have done first question, second question and the third question, now it is time for starting with our fourth question, that is answer these questions, in which we are supposed to be reading the question and then give the appropriate answer, right? So let us read the first question. The first question is, name any 5 places in a school. हमें क्या करना है? कोई भी 5 जगहों का नाम देना है जो स्कूल में होती है, right? So Didi here has written classroom, playground, library, canteen and staff room, right? Which are it? Classroom, playground, library, canteen and staff room. So आप different answers भी दे सकते हो. दीदी ने ये वाली लिखी है, right? So I hope आप लोग clear हो, right? कौन कौन सी जगह होती है स्कूल में? क्लासरूम, जहाँ पर हम पढ़ते हैं, प्लेग्राउंड, जहाँ पर हम अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ खेलते हैं, राइट? लाइब्रेरी, फ्रॉम वेयर वी कैन बोरो बुक्स एंड रीड टू. देन कैंटीन, इट इज द प्लेस वेयर वी कैन ईट आवर लंच. एंड देन स्टाफ रूम, इट इज द प्लेस वेयर टीचर्स टेक रेस्ट एंड डू देयर वर्क, राइट? टीचर्स जहाँ पर रेस्ट लेती है थोड़ा सा और अपना एक्स्ट्रा काम करती है, जैसे पेपर्स निकालना, बुक चेक करना, कंपटीशन की तैयारियां करना, एक्टिविटीज डिजाइन करना एंड व्हाट नॉट. सो ये सारी चीजें टीचर्स स्टाफ रूम में करते हैं, राइट? सो दिस इज इट. आई होप यू आर क्लियर. नाउ वी विल बी मूविंग ऑन टू द सेकंड क्वेश्चन. शैल वी? Okay, so as we have solved the first question, now we are going to solve the next two, right? So the second question here is, name our national anthem, right? So ये question हम लोगों ने पहले ही solve कर लिया है जब हम लोग tick the correct answer जो है वो कर रहे थे. Now all of you know which is our national anthem. Our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana, right? So that is the answer. I hope you are very much clear and thorough with it and you will be able to write it in the answer. Then the next one is, write any 2 ways to stay safe in school. हमें कोई भी ऐसे 2 ways कहने हैं जिससे हम लोग स्कूल में सेफ रह सकते हैं. Now if I ask you the meaning of safe, the meaning is staying away from nature. Nature से दूर रहना, protected रहना, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? That we are safe, right? So कौन से ऐसे 2 ways है जिससे हम लोग सेफ रह सकते हैं? One is we must stand in a queue. हमें हमेशा लाइन में खड़ा रहना चाहिए, किसी को धक्का नहीं देना चाहिए, रन नहीं करना चाहिए, ये सारी चीजें करनी नहीं है, right? Then the next one is we must always carry identity card. हमें हमारे पास अपना identity card जो है, ID card जो है वो हमेशा रखना है, जिससे क्या हो? If in case of emergency, if there is an emergency, anyone can contact your parents easily. आपको ठीक नहीं लग रहा हो, आप सिक हो या आप खो जाओ, इन केसेस में आपको अपना आइडेंटिटी कार्ड बहुत काम आएगा, right? So these are the ways through which you can stay safe while you are at school or outside even, right? Line one is not appropriate, but the identity card one is okay. So kids, these are the questions of our chapter. I hope you all are very much clear with the chapter now. अब आपको chapter बहुत आसानी से और अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा, right? This is the end of exercise solving. This was the last question. Now, let us have the recap of the chapter. First, we have learned that we learn numbers, we learn letters, we learn drawing, we learn painting, we learn reading, writing, everything at school. But despite of that, उसके साथ ही हम लोग क्या learn करते हैं? Respect, discipline, good manners, greetings, ये सारी चीजें भी हम स्कूल में ही लर्न करते हैं. शेयरिंग कैसे करते हैं, फ्रेंड्स कैसे बनाते हैं, ये सारी चीज हम कहाँ सीखते हैं? स्कूल में ही सीखते हैं, राइट? एंड देन we have also learned that there are so many different places in school, right? कौन सी places है? क्लासरूम, जहाँ पर आप आकर पढ़ते हो. दीदी आपको different subjects कहाँ पर पढ़ाती है? क्लासरूम में, right? And the next place is library. Library is the place from where you can borrow and read books from. आप लाइब्रेरी जाकर पढ़ भी सकते हैं और अपने लिए बुक्स ले भी सकते हैं, right? Then playground. Playground is the place where you can play in the recess time, break time, right? And canteen. Canteen is the place where we eat our lunch, right? हमारा lunch हम canteen पर खाते हैं, right? And the next one is activity room, where we learn how to sing, how to dance, how to draw, how to paint, right? Staff room is the place where teachers sit and take rest in. So ये सारी different जगह जो है वो स्कूल में है, right? ओके, जब हम मॉर्निंग में स्कूल पर आते हैं तब हम क्या करते हैं? सबको अच्छे से ग्रीट करते हैं और प्रेयर करते हैं एंड वी सिंग अवर नेशनल एंथम. ओके, सो दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट वी आर डूइंग इन द असेंबली. We have learned that how can we be safe in school. There are 4 ways. Always stand in a line, never run in the corridor or on stairs. Then third one is never stand up on the bench or a desk. And last one is always carry your identity card. So these are the things that we have learned in this chapter. I hope it is very much clear to you. This was the session of today, kids. Until we are meeting each other next time, what we are going to say? We are going to say